Alright, in this example we are trying to convert from moles of carbon to grams of carbon. So again, we start with the number we start with, 32.1 moles of carbon, and we draw our little railroad track. And since I have moles of carbon here, I want to have moles of carbon on the bottom so that they will cancel. And I'm looking for grams, so I'm going to write grams of carbon here. Now from our conversion factors, 1 mole is equal to the molar mass. You'll notice that every time we write moles after the first time, every time we write moles, it's a 1. So we have 1 mole, and now we need to know the molar mass of carbon. So if you look at our periodic table, carbon's molar mass is 12.011. So that's what we write here. We have 12.011 grams of carbon is equal to 1 mole. Now our moles will cancel because I've got moles of carbon on top and moles of carbon on the bottom, and I'm left with grams of carbon. So now I multiply across the top, and that gives me 32.1 times 12.011. So 32.1 times 12.011 equals 385.5531. Now again, this is a constant, so we ignore the significant figures for it and we look just at this. This has 3 significant figures, so the answer can only have 3. So I have 385. It's a 5, so I look next to it. That's a 5, that's a 5, that's a 3. So this, since each of these are 5s and that is less than 5, it stays 385 grams of carbon. And that is your next example.